So let's start.
Yes, ma'am. Let's start.
Hi, Ashok.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I am fine. What about you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Like, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, Ashok, then introduce about yourself and your native.
Yes. Yes. My name is Harsha. My native is I am from Anantapur. Currently, I am pursuing IDMT as an interior designer. So I have completed my BTech at SRIT College in 2024. Ma'am. Completed diploma in civil engineering at Government Polytechnic College, Anantapur. Completed schooling at Research Schools in Anantapur only.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Yes, ma'am. I have got to know about this institute by social media, and once Ashok sir has visited our college, ma'am. That's how we have know about the CMT.
That's nice. Like, for which course you have joined?
Ma'am, I have joined for interior designing course. Ma'am.
Interior design. What all the new topics you have learned? How it helped you?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Basically, I don't know what is meant by interior design before joining the course. After joining the course, what is meant by interior design and what is the basics of interior design? What are the sequences comes under interior design? I have came to know about them. Ma'am. Basically, before coming to this CM day, I don't know what is meant by these wardrobe panels, hardware fixtures. Even though I don't know basics of these interior design. After came through this a long way, I have to know about the what is meant by interior design, what are the process involved in the interior design.
Okay, like I think you have learned more topics and you have gained the knowledge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like how was your site visits? Where all you went?
Yes, ma'am. From starting to up to now, I have visited some site visits, ma'am. I will tell about some list of site visits, ma'am. Basically, from starting, IBO and the material report, then 60 interiors, then Fanasta, and then Lulu Mall, and I have gone through some 4 to 5 extra. Other than this, I have gone to 4 to 5 extra site visits. Ma'am. In 16 years, I have gone through the manufacturing process now. That is very helpful to me, ma'am. Because theoretical knowledge is different and practical knowledge is different. Ma'am. So practically, when I observe those, I have understand all those things, ma'am, how their manufacturing is going on, like that.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was the trainer support? Like how they used to teach you?
Yes. Here, the support from the Ashok sir and respective man, every ma'am and staff, I have received a huge support from you, ma'am. Because of your support only, I am going from here to my journey, ma'am. From here to start my journey.
Okay, like how was the interview procedure?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, they started with the there are two stages of interview, ma'am. First one is the technical interview. Second one is the HR interview. Ma'am. But for me, HR interview and technical interview become similar, ma'am, because HR also asked the same questions asked by these for technical interview. Ma'am. So technical interview, what here supports sir or madam who has given me some notes or online videos, what they have said here, those questions, based on those only they have asked for some questions, ma'am. So with your support, I have cracked this interview, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was app helped you? Like CMTI app helped you out?
Yes, ma'am. If any if any this subject related one, I am unable to understand. Sometimes I will gone through this same app, ma'am, and the subject which we miss due to our absent times, will gone through this app and will get the knowledge from it, ma'am. So same app also very helpful to me, ma'am.
Okay, like for which role you have selected for?
I'm selected for project execution engineer, Live Space company.
Like I think you're happy with your placements.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm very happy.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about the CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. I also want to refer them to join CMTI because here the support and placement opportunities are more. So that's why I will refer them also.
Okay, that's nice, Harshvardhan.
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
thank you for your feedback. That was a great talk.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, all the best for your future.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a bright
Thank you.
future. Thank you,
Yeah,
Harshvardhan.
thank you.